Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Walt. Here we are with part 37 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. And this one is another pretty interesting one. Maybe not as big a one as these last two, but this one is to live your true life. I don't know, maybe this one's also super applicable to you guys. I think maybe it's a little too self-evident to me at this point, but anyway, live your true life. So the idea of this one is that many people, there's this phrase he uses at the beginning of this one about how whenever say you fear death, it really means you just fear that you didn't live your true life. That so many people are going through their life just doing things they don't even like, and they never figure out what makes them happy, what they're really good at. And he talks about how, in his experience, he found that teaching and speaking made him happy, so he went about making sure he could do that and do this free weekly workshop to begin his career and kind of doing that. And later, of course, writing this quite amazing book. So, well done on that kind of stuff. Now, talking about specifically how do we do this, the things that make you happy are very important, okay? Happiness will draw on the love pathways of the subconscious mind and give you a lot more energy for living your life, a lot more enthusiasm, a lot more confidence. If you keep doing things you really don't like to do, there's nothing fun about them, if you just feel like you're dead inside whenever you're doing it, just completely, like there's no aspect of it, then that is something you should not be doing, okay? If you have to do that to live, to survive, to buy food, all that kind of thing, then you're gonna have to do that for at least some time. But once you get to a point when you don't have to do that kind of stuff, cut the things out of your life that you don't have to do and go after the things that are gonna make you happy. Now, often this is not just laying on the couch like many people think. Many people think that what makes them happy is that getting to the end of the work week of things they didn't really like doing is getting to watch their sports teams, it's getting to sit around, it's getting to drink, it's getting to eat, it's getting to whatever. Okay, but that's not long-term happiness. A lot of us will find that we actually have something that is work-related that is going to make us extremely happy. Things like me making these videos, that kind of thing makes me happy. Things like writing, that's something I really enjoy. Trading is something I really enjoy. Learning about certain topics like philosophy, economics, physics, those kind of things really excite me. Psychology, of course, for this kind of thing. So those are some of my big passions that I really like to talk about, I like to write about, I like to work on. And like with part 36, you got to build in your recovery time, and you can't just do these things all the time or always just be like, okay, I'm just going to immediately achieve everything I want. If my dream is music, I'm just going to become the greatest musician overnight. I'm going to write a song in 2 minutes and I'm going to play it here, and then everybody's going to know me, and I'm going to have 7 million hits by tomorrow. No, okay? See, the path to what you love doing really starts slowly. Not many people are probably going to believe in you. They're not really going to think that you're doing such great work. That's what motivational videos are out there to help you kind of get started on. And of course, 100 ways to motivate yourself, obviously. But once you figure out what does make you happy, what gives you some energy, that is like most of the key to life. Once you do that, all you have to do is just start doing that. And soon enough, you'll reach success in that process. It's out there if you're willing to seek it. That's about it for part 37, guys. I will see you next time with part 38. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.